We're having a good time here in Apopka, Florida,
right?
with the wall
Todd's
twins
here.
And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking that I must be a triplet.
That's what you're thinking.
Last time we filmed together, everyone said, "My goodness, you're a tiny little guy." I'm so embarrassed. But today, we're working for
Pizza Planet.
Pizza Planet, baby. That's right. I haven't made my thin and crispy griddle pizzas in a while. Have you guys made them lately?
Not lately. It's been a bit. And not the Todd way.
No.
Correct.
We've got a bunch of ingredients, and we're going to do it like 3 different ways. The thin and crispy griddle
Pizza.
Ow!
Let's give it a try.
Let's check out the ingredients.
Let's do it.
What do we got here? We got fresh basil leaves. We got some traditional shredded mozzarella. We got some diced chicken. Is that thighs?
Diced breast.
Diced chicken breast. We have some garlic powder. We have some pepperoni. We have some diced green bell pepper. We have some sliced green onion. We have some red onion. Some people call it purple. That's weird stuff there. We have some sliced mozzarella. Oh, my favorite. Sliced mozzarella. And here we have the fresh mozzarella. This stuff is incredible.
The diggity bomb.
We have some, per the request of Adam or somebody, thinly sliced tomato.
Roma tomato.
Mild Italian sausage.
Because I'm a sissy.
Sugar.
Oh, honey, honey.
Some Alfredo sauce. We have some Cento all-purpose crushed tomato. We have some Victoria. This is probably my favorite brand of off-the-shelf marinara. The Victoria marinara. We have olive oil. We have some Italian seasoning, Parmesan ranch, flour tortillas. What's this kind?
A spinach.
A spinach tortilla, a stone fire pizza crust flatbread, and a traditional rectangular flatbread crust. We got some toppings we have to griddle up. We have some medium Italian sausage, some bacon. Yeah. That apparently somebody forgot to bring out when we did our presentation earlier.
I would never. That's
and
not,
the chicken. Let's get it down. Do you guys need any oil?
Just a little bit of oil.
Here, who's chicken? Your chicken?
Yeah. Well, Brett's chicken.
And then there's a little oil there, and there we go. Down with our topping. And booyah!
Let's get it on! We're gonna try the Parmesan ranch to season this up. I think it's gonna go really well.
I like your style.
Liberally. That's hard to do. You will never see anyone push you guys to griddle harder than I will push you guys. And you will never see guys griddle harder than these guys will griddle. And you will never see a team make the best 3 pizzas that anyone has ever made. God bless.
Yes!
Griddle on.
I think my Italian sausage is done, so we're gonna pull this over here, and then we can have it ready in our topping bar. Oh, look at that.
The chicken is ready as well. We'll get that in here. Add that to Todd's topping bar. El pollo bonito. That's Spanish, not Italian, but that's a spicy meatball.
Look at that work.
Yes, this is my happy place, making bacon on the Blackstone. And my happy place is watching you make bacon on my Blackstone.
And my happy place is watching you watch him make bacon.
Apparently somebody forgot his spinach, so why don't you pull his bacon in the interim?
In the interim.
I've done a lot of these thin and crispy griddle pizzas. The benefit of having a big old griddle like this with 4 burners is you can turn some burners off. See, we still have a giant plate of steel, and you guys probably agree on this, right?
Yep.
We could probably turn 1 or 2 of these off. Sure. That way we're not like burning. We don't want to burn these pizza crusts to a crisp.
Correct.
So let's turn like every other off. We got 2 of these on low.
I choose you!
What would you call that? Is that like a rounded rectangle?
Rectangle, yeah, rounded with your traditional flatbread rectangular pizza, and I will be doing the white pizza. Alfredo.
And you're doing.
I'm doing the stone. What is it? The stone Meiser. What is it? Stone fry. What is it?
Stone fire.
Yeah,
Stone fire. Stone fire makes a lot of these.
Yes, stone fire flat pizza as well, flat crust.
And I'm just doing a traditional flour tortilla. That's where I got my idea for the thin. I think it'd be hard to actually make a thinner pizza unless you didn't have a crust, right? And go. All right, we're gonna go down. Different people have different systems. Sometimes they like to get a little color and flip it over. On this one, this is so thin. I don't want to really mess around with that, so I'm gonna go straight down.
Okay.
Here we go. with some crushed tomatoes.
Nice.
They're crushed. Their spirit is broken, okay? Now, I've learned the hard way. I'm one of these guys, you see my videos, I like to go crazy. Right. Tons of ingredients. I've learned with pizza sauce, you gotta be careful. Right. Too much is nuts. Yeah, you wanna almost make it look like there's not enough. Right. So I'm gonna do the crushed tomato, and then of course, it's always a little bland, and I find that pizza sauce always seems to have a little bit of a sweetness, so I'm gonna go in with a little bit of sugar. And now I'm gonna go down with these. We looked at them earlier. I'm gonna use my fingers, so hopefully you're not grossed out. The fresh mozzarella balls. I'm gonna make sure I get some of those drizzling toppings on there as well, because these are just so good. Some of my sausage here. That's the mild Italian sausage. You can use any kind. My goodness, it doesn't matter. Some fresh basil leaves. You're just gonna kind of break the pieces on there. Garlic powder, the actual powdered garlic, you know? So I think we'll put a little bit of garlic powder on there.
So I am actually going to start with the Victoria, your favorite, Todd, which I've never tried.
If you have a Costco membership, by the way, they've got a white linen version that they use. It's good stuff. Oh yeah.
Just a little bit more. We are saucy dudes. Yes, we are. We like it as sauce. Yes. We like it as sauce.
You like it as sauce?
We like it as sauce. Get this up on here. Cheese kind of wants to go wherever it wants.
Pepperoni is slightly greasy. That's good. You want to grease. Hey, listen, folks, if you're using that turkey pepperoni out there, what's wrong with you? Like, come on.
So some garlic powder.
Ooh, or a lot of garlic powder.
Yeah, or a lot.
Ooh, so green onions, just for a little pop, a little color.
That's it. There we go. Awesome. All right.
This is already starting to crisp up. That's going to be nice. I'm starting with some Bertolli's Alfredo sauce. I really like Bertolli's. I like the fact that they actually liked our last Instagram post. So this is like moving all over the place. This thing's just a little skateboard right now. There we go. And I like it saucy. We're going to put a few of these slices on here. Each. Look at those. And then we're gonna put some tomatoes in here.
Oh, I like that.
While we've got that, we want these seasonings to kind of suck into the tomatoes. Let those kind of absorb a little bit too much.
I will say I'm coveting your pizza. It's looking good.
Yeah. There we go. We're gonna get some of the bacon in here. Too bad this is only one serving, guys. I'm sorry.
No.
This is... I want just to sprinkle a little bit of the mozzarella across the top to kind of melt into that. Oh, the red onion, I forgot.
I like your style.
See, look at this. Look at this, a little bit of the red onion for some bite. Look at this, look at this. I forget about the spinach that I got for this. Look at this, the creme de la creme. We're gonna get a little bit more of this mozz on the top just to kind of melt all together. The hope is that will melt and just kind of put this all together. We don't need a lot because this will spread.
Mine is melted. Let's take a look.
Are you ready? Move.
I think she's done. Look at that.
Take a look at that.
There she was, just walking down the street singing do-a-diddy.
Diddy dum, diddy do.
Cut to the chase.
Okay. I think I win.
Let's give it a try.
Mm-hmm.
I heard it crying.
Oh my God.
That's it. Fellas, I'm sorry, I won. This is the best pizza.
Nope.
Yeah. Traditional pepperoni. Now, guys, I tell you what, I'm so proud of you. You came in, you didn't know what we were going to do right at the beginning other than pizza itself, and we came out victorious. We came out on top. The determination, the drive is what it took us here, and the brotherhood that got us to the end. Way to go, guys.
1, 2, 3, team! And now we all take a bite of somebody else's pizza.
Okay, I'm having one at Todd's.
I guess I'll eat one of these bad boys.
Oh no, you eat that one. I'll have yours.
Oh,
There we go.
You try to eat your own. Oh.
Yeah.
Got crunch.
Yeah. Todd, you nailed it with this one.
Man, friends, I'm telling you what, I think it's the way to go. I call them thin and crispy griddle pizza, so whether you're using a tortilla, stone fryer, maybe using a flatbread crust, they're the way to go. They're easy, you don't need an oven, go low heat, and look at that. I mean, they're gorgeous.
Nothing came close to burning. It was perfect.
These are the same kind of pizzas you'd get at a bar and grill, a brew pub, and the people would go on and say, man, I went to Brett's brew pub and had the best pizza. You did it right here.
That's right. Back there.
Right
Go
here.
back
Oh.
there. And it didn't cost you $15.
No, my goodness, and there's so many options.
Yeah.
This is just 3 that we happen to whip up.
Yeah, really cool. Like you were saying, just cook it on low. You can add water if you need to melt. The only thing you're checking is make sure the crust isn't burning. So as long as you babysit that and keep your eye on it, this is going to come out to perfection every time. Nice and easy. And you really are getting restaurant quality that you're doing here on the Blackstone. I can't believe we just made these, knocked these out so fast.
Yep. Visit us at blackstoneproducts.com. There's so much going on. Make sure you're watching all of our shows. Check out the Wall Twins, man, on YouTube. By the way, I want to give you a huge shout out. As far as personal YouTube channels go, these bad boys just passed me up. You guys are close to 90,000.
We're getting there.
They're
We're getting
almost
there,
at
yeah.
90,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Until next time, this is Todd and Adam and Brett. We're saying praise the Lord and pass the
Thin and crispy
griddle pizza.